You alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Freelander 2. I believe this only works on a pre-facelifted Freelander 2. I don't think this works on a post-lifted Freelander 2. I think you have to take it to a garage and get it plugged in or something like that. I'm sure someone in the comments will have an idea how to do it, so I'll let them describe it for a post facelifted Freelander 2. But if you have pre-facelifted, this is how you do it. You first of all, I'm just going to move it so I can see, you press and hold this button and then you turn the ignition on. That then comes up with service, so let go, push it, you press and hold, and then you get through to this section that you can scroll through by pushing it. So you go to distance, push and hold, that then comes up with reset. You wait for it to go back, comes up, it should come up with date, so then push and hold. Obviously if you don't want to reset one of these, you don't have to. Push and hold, we're resetting both of them. That then says reset. It then should come up with end, and push and hold, and you have to wait a bit for this part. And then obviously it then comes up 14,950 miles and 365 days. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I know the lighting's a bit weird and everything, but yeah, that's how to reset the trip on a Freelander 2 pre-facelifted.